In the next lesson, we will make a chasing game. We're going to make a game of catching chicken, like this one. You will play as the cat, trying to catch the chicken. There will be a dog chasing the cat, and two lazy dogs who just stay quiet. Dogs must not catch cat. For this game, the coding method is more difficult. It's better if you have finished the previous lessons, so you don't get confused. You will move the cat with up, down, left, or right arrow keys. For this game, we need 5 sprites. Name these sprites like this. Use a blue sky as backdrop. Create new project. Name it as Cat Catch Chicken. Add the sprites as previously shown, and name each sprite accordingly. Then add the blue sky backdrop. To make the game stage feel more spacious, we're going to shrink all the sprites. Use size 50 for all sprites, so the sprite size will only be half of the original. When the green flag is clicked, it means the game is starting. We're going to make each sprite do something different. The cat will come out in random place. Then the cat has to wait 1 second before you can play it. This blue dog will chase the cat. But when the game starts, the blue dog will be stay still for 2 seconds, so the cat can run first. The chicken will move in random direction. There will be 2 lazy dogs. The first lazy dog will appear on the left of the screen, while the second lazy dog will appear to the right of the screen. The cat must catch the chicken, and not get caught by the blue dog. The cat also must not hit the lazy dog. Make these coding blocks in the cat sprite. This block is used so that the cat will turn around when cat touches the edge of the screen. It would be more fun if we also have music in this game. So make a second block in the cat like this. You can add sound from the sound tab. Notice, there are 2 blocks, when the green flag is clicked, on the cat. One to put the cat in a random position, the other to start the music. Create this coding block in the blue dog sprite. With this block, the dog will go to a random position when the game starts, then wait 2 seconds. Then, the dog will start chasing the cat. To chase the cat, add this block. What does this block do? We use a forever loop, so the dog will keep chasing the cat. To chase the cat, we have to point the dog at the cat, using this block. Then the dog will move, chasing the cat. Make this coding block in the chicken sprite, to put the chicken in a random position when the game starts. Then, move the chicken in random direction using this block. To move in random direction, we will rotate the chicken from -30 to +30 degrees. We will learn about rotation or turn soon. For now, you can follow previous instructions. If the chicken touches the edge of the stage, we will make the chicken turn around with this block. We still need 2 lazy dog sprites. But before continuing, we will first learn about coordinate and rotation in Scratch.